What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how this kit that you buy on eBay looks like, because I almost bought this for my Mitsubishi Eclipse and I was like, man, this is gonna send me to the right angle. What is the angle that this sends to? So anyway, I bought it and I know that this goes like this in my car, and this is how it works. Your wastegate is here, like pointing at me, and then at the end of the day you're gonna get a pipe that's gonna point. This is almost like 90 degrees, but it's a little more, I don't know, 110 degrees, either that way, or you get a little less this way, like 70 or 80, right? So you look here, this sends you this way, so it's not a 90-degree thing. That's weird. I don't understand, like, why this angle. But anyway, my car had a smaller version of this. I think I bought a 44 millimeter wastegate, and the output of the wastegate is not 44, which is this guy here. It's a smaller, so I tried to get a smaller one. It doesn't quite send me to where I want to, so I got this guy. I'm gonna use a smaller gasket in here. One catch is it comes with this gasket like this. See these little holes, and it's like you can vent it. It's kind of little metal, I want to say paper, but I think it's just metal. But this is the thing. It's like a little sheet of metal. So the way this goes like this, and like that, right? Oh, mine is like this. How do I know mine is like this? I made a white mark in here and in here, and I know that this is what I need. At the end of the day, I will still need to cut this here and get a flex pipe and then point this somewhere. Probably I'll point to the outside, but I'm worried that I'm gonna burn someone's leg when I don't know, if I rev or something. But anyway, I want to show you this thing here. Now we're gonna assemble that, and this is what we need. Sorry, my bench is a freaking mess right now, so I'm not gonna even get close to it. We need this exhaust. It's not a gasket. It's gonna stop exhaust leaks, and it turns into like a hard rock once it dries. So I also learned from my Mitsubishi Eclipse that you cannot trust this thing, I mean the gasket and all this stuff. So leave in the comment here if you have better luck than me, but I don't, man. So I honestly, I'm gonna put some in here because I already saw that this thing here is not straight enough. So eBay, man, eBay sometimes is very good, sometimes it gets the worst. So worst case, some is going to get into the exhaust. Since I don't have catalytic converter or any of that stuff, I really don't care. And I'm gonna put one of those and a washer. I'm gonna put a washer on the bottom. A washer on the bottom. This guy. This here on top. Where is it? Here. This is not gonna be. See, that's what happened to eBay. It's I put the gasket, and this bolt is too small already. So thankfully I have more bolts. So let's get it. And I'm gonna finish this guy. try this one. Alright, all done, ready to put in the car. And one thing I'm gonna put in the car, I won't show that because it's beyond the point, but you're gonna see that your downpipe, if you're not custom making it, which I suggest is much better, but I'm not gonna do this time. You put it in there, cut the length you want, get one of those flex pipe hoses, which works great. And then check this out, it is a tight fit. So fitting like this, putting some of that paste in here and using a clamp, this goes anywhere I want. So for me, this is gonna be enough. I can direct this to the side of the car, so when I'm driving and I'm going fast and I'm over boosting, even if get some fire out of here, it's out of the car. So this is gonna be great, great, great. I hope this helps you. I hope this at least shows you how that eBay stuff is and where it points to, because I don't even know how or where I put this to show you, but something that's pointing your way is gonna turn out not quite my way, not quite straight that way. So can you tell? Angles, angles, angles. Let's go to the floor one more time and I'm gonna call it good. Look, sorry for the shade, but coming straight from the floor, you can see it changed direction, is not quite 90 degrees, and is also a little bit up. So it is weird. I can't even tell where it is, but leave a little thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, there's much more to come. This thing here is about to get started, so you're gonna see firsthand this starting. Check out the Instagram, because I put stuff there straight away as I'm making the videos and stuff. YouTube takes a little while because I post a video every 2 days, but I have a lot of videos, so they are scheduled. From the time you're watching on YouTube, probably I've done that already. So Instagram keeps you up to date. YouTube is going to give you the detail. All right, later.
Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.